Welcome to the first video in our series of the Microsoft SQL Server tutorial. This series will be targeted towards application developers and database administrators that want to learn the specifics of SQL for SQL Server. We will be going over the essential SQL skills needed for database design and the advanced SQL skills of a professional SQL programmer. So, let's first make sure your computer is set up to write SQL. We're going to want to first download the SQL Server 2017 Express. So to do that, you're going to want to go to https://www.microsoft.com/en-us/SQL-server-editions-express up here at the top here. So once you get to that website here, we're going to click on the Download Now button. It's going to bring up a window here. SQL Server 2017 Express Edition. It's going to have three options to choose from. I recommend just going with the basic for now. We're just here to learn some new tricks here. We're here to learn SQL, and we're not really going to customize anything too much right now. So select the basic option. Your install location can be basic. Click the install button. And as that goes through the install, 2017 Express Edition has completed successfully on the install. You can see here at the top you have an instance name, which is SQL Express, and then it shows your connection string here. This is a localhost connection. The database is always going to be a default at master, and trusted connection is set equal to true, so that looks like that's configured right. If you look down here at the bottom more, you'll see SQL administrators right here, and you can see that I have my desktop name here / my username here from my Windows account. So that's what it's automatically going to use by default, and it's going to store a install log folder right here in the bootstrap log folder in your C program files. So keep a note on that. Next down here you see features installed. There's a SQL engine here. This is the engine that's going to run your SQL server, and this is the installation media folder. And then below here is the resources folder here. We can see our version is 14.0, and we are installed in the program files Microsoft SQL Server 140 SSEI resources folder here. So next, what we want to do is we want to install SQL Server Management Studio. We are going to install SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. And that's going to take us over to another website here. And I'm going to download the 17.4 version. So now we have our install window here for Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, release 17.4. This is the latest edition as of January 1st, 2018. This is a new year. Happy New Year, everyone. And I hope you guys enjoy your new year while watching this video. So we're going to click install to begin. And it's going to start loading the packages up. And this is going to take a little bit of a while to install. So let's wait for that. And as soon as it finishes, we'll be ready to move on. Now, once Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio release 17.4 has successfully installed, you'll see the setup complete window here, and it'll say all specified components have been installed successfully. So you can click close on that, and you can launch SQL Server Management Studio and get ready for our next video. Again, Happy New Year, everyone. It is 4 o'clock in the morning, January 1st, 2018, and I'm looking forward to our next video.